Once you've narrowed your font choices down to 2 or 3 different fonts or typefaces, go back to your manuscript. Now, I've copied the manuscript content now. I don't want to be working with the Lorem Ipsum text from this point forward. And what I've done is put my chapter headings and the content that I know I will need on the title page as headings 1 and 2, and the title in the title style, and I've then put my subtitles inside the chapters in the subtitle style. And the first things I'm going to do before I actually look at applying the font is click on Insert and Page Break so that I can see the content of the title page and the content of the first page. And I'm also going to change the heading styles to black because I'm going to be printing in black. It's not going to be a full colour book because it's a fiction book. I'm printing in full colour for the sake of having blue headings would be extortionately expensive. So I want everything in black. Now, I've chosen, just let me show you, I've chosen Lucy the Bright as my body text. And the reason that I've done that is because it's got quite a big X height for this style of font, and it gives me more colour on the page, and it's very, very readable. Also, because I kind of know what I want for my title font already, and the process that I'm following will tie the 3 fonts together. So, first things first, I want my chapter headings. I'm going to modify, and I know that I want one of the Lucida font family. Now, I don't want Fax because it's too close to Lucida Bright. If I just show you, for example, if I put the Lucida Fax on, there's not much differentiation. They're both serif fonts, so that's not where I want to be going with it. I don't want to go with the typewriter style, and the handwriting and calligraphy aren't the type of styles that I'm looking for. They're both what we call script fonts, which we're going to look at shortly. So I know I want one of the Sans fonts. I could go with the straight Sans font, the Sans typewriter, or Sans Unicode. I've actually decided already I want the Lucida Sans, but I want it in bold and I want it italic. The reason for that is that I quite like the letter shaping and the differentiation in the line widths at that point. So let's apply that. Now that's okay, but I do know that I want my subtitle within the chapters to be a little bit bigger. So that's already at 11. I actually want that to be 18, and again, automatic. Now I'm not entirely sure at this point whether I want the chapter to be the same size or to size it up. Now, if I was to size it up, that would take it to the size 29, because we're following the golden rule of each size being 1.6 times bigger than the previous. So let's just have a look if we apply that and take this up to size 29. I actually think that's a little bit too big, so I'm going to leave it at the same size as the subtitle. But what I am going to do is centre the text for the chapter headings. So that's my chapter heading 1 style sorted. Now I need my heading 2 styles to match. Let me just cancel that because it's taking a subtitle and I actually want a heading 2. So I'm going to modify heading 2 to Lucida Sans bold and italic and take it up to size 18. And now I can see that the text on the title page matches my chapter headings, and when we come to it in the next couple of lectures and choose the titling font, this text will match the book title text as well. So just go ahead and choose your secondary font and which parts of the book you want it to apply to. It's not set in stone at this point, you can change it later. Just remember to apply it using the gallery style up here and not using any of these buttons over here, and I'll see you in the next lecture.